Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to extrude text in Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Illustrator, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Extruding text in Adobe Illustrator creates a 3D effect, making the text appear as if it has like a depth within it. Here's how you can do it. Once you open the Adobe Illustrator software or application, I want you to click the file that I wanted to extrude the text. All right, in my case, I'm going to open that. Now, on the left side panel of your tools, you press letter T on your keyboard or go here and type in the text. Right, so in my case, I'm going to be typing this. Obviously, I need to make sure that my text is visible. All right, so I'm going to zoom that out so you guys can see it. And I'm going to choose a different color so you guys can see. Maybe white for now. Let's check that. So now for us to be able to extrude this text here, all we're gonna do is go to the effect section right here on the top corner. Click on 3D materials and there should be an option that says extrude and bevel. All right, so now from here, all we're gonna do is now you want to make sure that you turn on the preview so you can have like a idea what will happen. Go to the presets like off axis or isometric top. All right, you can adjust the perspective of that. Go here. And then from there, obviously you can experiment with the preference. I'm going to put that in. So the text is going to be right here. All right. And then once you are happy with that, press enter. Takes a little while. All right. Click on OK. There you go. You have achieved an extruding text effect here in Adobe Illustrator. Now, you can also adjust the bevel right here. Right. The depth. Kind of like that. As you can see, extruded text can simulate engrave or embossed effects, which is going to be useful for product mockups or packaging designs. And from here, all you're going to do is go to the file, save as, save a copy, or go to edit and export it to different format that you wanted. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.